Hi guys, welcome to my videos. Today we're going to put brownies here. What's this? Ice cream and the cone. And we smash it. We put the brownies here and I smash it. Smash it.
Kain muna tayo.
Okay guys, now I will taste it. Taste?
Go. Want to put one more brownie?
Nice. Bye.